want to see crazy win.
Yo, bro, not even capping, bro. I just got crazy win. Yo, look, you guys, I just got crazy win. Let's go. Let's go. All right, bro.
Where you at?
Bro, I'm at the summons. I'm in a public server. Yeah. So we're gonna do another. Bro, imagine I get 2.
Bro, I'm on your chromosome, no.
Well, I'm on your Chromony Dome, but I'm on your Chromony Dome. No chromosome, having a boy. Well, I'm on your Chromony Dome, but I still got. No, I'm kidding. I'm on your Chromony Dome, but I still got. I'm on your Chromony Dome and you dome in your Chrome. Well, but I still got. But the back of your neck is your chin, and the chin is your back of your neck. But don't care, bro. Shut your bitch ass up. Yo, I got 2 Vegetas. Let's go.
You just need to do the inner saga all the time so you can get it.
Well, I'm on your Chromony Dome, but I still got. If you don't get your fucking ass any. Well, I'm on your Chromony Dome, but I'm your dome in your Chrome and your dome in your Chrome, but I still got. If you don't get your fucking ass any, but no chromosome having that, boy. I still got.
I want to see your crazy one because you're capping.
No, I'm not.
Hard.
No, I'm not.
You're literally capping hard.
No, bro. Look here. I'll post this video right now. I'll post the video. Okay, guys. I'll see you later.